Today we're talking about in-camera transitions like this. First off, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, and also if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button, and if you don't like it, then hit the thumbs down button. Yes, today we're talking about in-camera transitions, which are transitions that you do with your camera to blend two scenes together. First off, and probably the most common, is covering it up and then reopening somewhere else. There's multiple ways of doing this, such as like pushing it towards your chest and then pulling it back out from your chest in the next shot. Even try something a bit experimental. So pretty much any way that you can have the scene at the end of the scene black and then have it black at the start of the next scene, and then during the editing process just join those two scenes together, and there you have it, an in-camera transition. Next up is sky transitions. This is done like this. This one's very easy. At the end of your take, all you do is point the camera at the sky, and at the start of your next take you point it back at the sky. Last but not least is the flick. This is done by going like this, and you bring it back round with the opposite side. So if I'm flicking off to the left, then in my next take I'll do it from the right, and then once you edit together in the editing process, then it should flow quite nicely. You just need to make sure and edit on the motion blur, so like that's when like the whole screen is blurry, that's when you want to join your two clips together. So if you do that in both takes, then it'll be absolutely fine. So there you have it guys, 3 in-camera transitions. If you like the intro at the start of this video and you know how I done it, then please comment down below. Let me know when you thought I was doing the transitions, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you've not already. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm David Barclay. See you next time.